Hey everyone, are you tired of spending hours editing videos? Let AI do the hard work for you. In this tutorial, we're diving into a fantastic tool called Pictory AI, a game-changing AI video editing platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this tool will revolutionize how you edit videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory AI. Visit the official Pictory AI website and create a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll gain access to its intuitive dashboard. Step 2. Upload your footage. Click on the Upload button to import your raw footage. Pictory AI supports multiple formats, so you don't need to worry about compatibility issues. Step 3. Use text-based editing. Here's where the magic happens. Simply type in what you want the AI to do. For example, trim the first 10 seconds, add upbeat background music, or apply cinematic transitions. The AI processes your requests instantly. Step 4. Preview and export. Once your edits are complete, preview your video in real time. When satisfied, export it in your desired resolution, whether it's 720p, 1080p, or even 4K conclusion. AI video editing tools like Pictory AI are changing the game, making high-quality video production accessible to everyone. Try it out today and see how easy it is to bring your creative visions to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more amazing AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.